is a low bridge. Don't stand up. Is this how you're supposed to work in here?
Yeah, it's Hastings Shuffle.
I need to get a pen. I'm gonna do some math. You got an extra pencil? 6 of them? Right here. This angle right here is written right here. 17 and 5/16, 12. If that's the right math. So I just need to figure out this hypotenuse. So this is the line right here. Side cut of deck. So we're gonna go to 512. Look at how much plywood is here. There's a ton of plywood. What is all that? I guess that's plywood for the curved roof. We're doing door skin. You gotta come check this out. Here is the room with the barrel vault. So we got the truss companies to make the trusses come down a little bit lower, and then we just cut those out with the proper radius to match. And I know it looks like it goes right through, but this wall is actually just going to go up in the middle here and join in the middle. So each room is going to have its own separate barrel vault with an archtop window. Good view though. You need to look at a tree. I haven't figured this part out yet. Going to walk up the stairs and then out onto the deck. So there will be a set of stairs here soon. Maybe I'll have to build them. And then you'll step down onto this deck, which won't be at this height because we have to cross strap this deck so that there's air ventilation, and then we have to have it sloped to a specific location for the drainage. Okay, let's go out front and look at what they did there. Yes, and it's flat here and dies on right here. How do you roof this little section? It's going to be goofy here, right? It looks more over here. I got about 4 1/4 here. So let's go check out on the side here. See what we got going on here. The round gable, does it get moved out? I'll take it. But you already did it? We work out the schedule, how long each part, each section of this house is going to take to build. Because when jobs get really complicated, some tasks take longer than others, trying to make the schedule work. You'd have like a block right there.
Where's that block?
Right here. It was 16 something. So maybe Rachel can film this once I got this figured out.
Sorry.
That's perfect.
I know. Gotta practice the red leather, yellow leather. Rachel's
Like-
filming you, man.
It's for always.